Sa previous video natin, discuss natin kung paano i-add ang integers, dalawang integers lang, na parehas ang sign, same signs, at magkaiba ang sign, different signs, at kung mapapansin nyo ay magkakaibang method ang ginawa natin at magkakaiba rin yung sagot, no, sa bawat method na ginagawa, sa bawat given, no? Then, sa subtraction of integers, gagamitin natin yung rules sa pag-add ng integer. Depende kung ano yung magiging resulta natin, no? Resulta natin after natin magpalit ng sign ng subtrahend. Again, ito yung ating rule. Change the subtraction operation to addition. Yan, tandaan natin. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So, yung subtrahend, yung number next to the minus sign. So, 2 integers lang naman yung ating isa-subtract natin dito. Ayan, yung pangalawang integer po. Then, decide which method in adding integers will you use. So, dapat alam nyo yung rules or method sa pag-add ng integers. So, pwedeng chips ang gamitin nyo. Algebra tiles, pwedeng number line. Pwede yung rule mismo ng pag-add ng integers. Depende kung same sign yung kakalabasan or different signs. Pero most of the time kasi, pag beginner, chips ang ginagamit. Pag larger numbers na at nasanay na sa paggamit ng chips or integer tiles ay rule na po. No? Lalo na kapag 2-digit numbers na yung ating yung involved. Let us try subtract negative 2 and 1. So, nauna kasi yung 2. Negative 2. Ayan, negative 2. Then, sumunod yung 1. Change the subtraction operation to addition. So, kailangan isulat muna natin yung buong statement. So, negative 2. And subtraction daw ang ating, ang ating operation dito. Minus positive 1. So, yun yung ating given. Palitan daw natin yung subtraction operation. So, ito, magiging siya, magiging addition. Ayan na po. So, ginawa natin. Then, magiging, ito na yung kakalabasan natin. Magiging plus, ayan, plus addition. Change the sign of the subtrahend. The subtrahend in this case is 1, positive 1. So, kung positive 1 yan, magiging negative 1 kasi nagpalit tayo ng sign from positive to negative. So, yun yung ating rule. Ayan. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Palitan daw ang sign of the subtrahend. So, ito yung sign natin. Ito yung subtrahend natin, positive 1 kasi the number next to the minus sign, ito yung minus sign. At ang katabi nito ay positive 1. Ayan po, next, nakatabi yan. So, from positive 1, naging negative 1. At ano naman po ang mangyayari dito? So, just copy. Ayan, kopyahin lang. Now, ito na yung ating naging latest na condition. So, we have negative 2 plus negative 1. At kung mapapansin nyo ay meron tayo ditong parehas na sign. And the operation is addition. So, kinonvert natin yung subtraction to addition. Then, after natin i-convert yung operation na subtraction to addition, nagpalit yung sign ng subtrahend, naging negative 1. At kinopya lang yung minuend natin. Kanina, minuend, ngayon added na siya. Negative 2 pa rin. At ang rule kasi dito is, kapag nag-add tayo ng sign, ayan, we just add the absolute values of 2. So, ang absolute value nito ay negative 2. Ang absolute value nito ay, ang absolute value ng negative 2 ay 2. At ang absolute value ng negative 1 ay 1. Pag in-add natin yon 2 plus 1, we have 3. Then, kukopyahin lang natin yung sign, which is negatives. So, magiging negative 3 ang sagot. Pero kung komportable kayo sa chips, edi gamitin natin yung chips. So, we have 2 negative chips, ayan, or negative integer tiles. Then, we have another, ayan, negative 1. At pag pinagsama nyo yan, bilangin natin, pag pinagsama, kasi addition, di pagsamahin. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 integer tiles, 3 negative integer tiles. So, magiging sagot natin ay negative 3. Yan, negative 3. So, the answer is negative 3. Ayan po. Negative 3. So, ibig sabihin, pag binuo natin yung statement, negative 2. So, saan ba natin maganda ilagay? Negative 2 plus negative 1. We have negative 3. Ayan, negative 3. Ito yung answer natin. Ayan. Now, again, pwede kayong mamili. Pwedeng namili ng method. Pwedeng chips, katulad dito. Chips. Pwede ring yung rule, kung saan kayo mas komportable. Pwede rin yung number line. Now, we have 2 and negative 1. So, we have positive 2 and negative 1. At isa-subtract natin. So, minus. So, 2 minus negative 1. 2 minus negative 1. Then, sabi, change the operation to addition. So, ang operation kasi natin ay subtraction. Palitan natin ng addition plus. Then, ang pangalawang rule is change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ang subtrahend kasi natin is negative 1. From negative 1, magiging positive 1. Ayan. Then, kokopyahin lang natin to, syempre. Ayan. So, yung minuend kanina, naging addend na po. At kung mapapansin nyo, napaka-easy na lang to i-add. 2 plus 1. So, magiging sagot ay 3. Okay? So, kung hindi pa convincing sa inyo, using the chips, so, ito ay same sign pa rin. Same sign. Ayan. We have 2 positive integer tiles plus 1 positive integer tile at magkakaroon tayo ng 3 positive integer tile. Kaya ang sagot natin ay 3. So, the answer is positive 3. Ayan. Ito po yung sagot natin. Ayan po. Okay, next. Subtract negative 2 and negative 1. So, we have negative 2 and negative 1. Again, ang operation natin, original operation natin ay minus. And ang pangalawang rule is change the sign of the subtrahend. So, from minus, magiging plus. Then, ang ating subtrahend, ito, ayan, subtrahend, magiging positive 1. Yan. And, yung kanina nating minuend, ngayon ay addend na, copy lang, negative 2. So, we have negative 2 plus 1. So, we have different signs. Different. Magkaiba ang sign. Different signs. At kapag magkaiba ang sign, may 0 pairs o may naaalis na algebra tiles kung are integer tiles. Kung integer tiles ang inyong gagamiting method. So, we have negative 2. We have 2 negative integer tiles. Then, we have positive 1. At kapag may pinagpares tayo dito, ito at ito, ayan, negative integer tile, isang positive integer tile, magiging 0 pair. So, alis na to sa group. At kung mapapansin nyo, ang natira na lang ay isang negative integer tile. 1 negative integer tile. So, the answer will be, the answer is negative 1. Ayan. So, negative 2 plus 1, we have negative 1. Since ang naiwan ay isang integer tile. Ngayon, itong chips or integer tile na to, hindi siya palaging applicable, lalo na kapag larger numbers na po, kapag hundreds or thousands or kahit 2-digit numbers na po yung given, hindi na to mag-work. So, dapat kabisaduhin nyo yung rule natin. At kapag, kung papansin nyo, ang rule natin is, ayun nga, nagsasubtract tayo, nagbabawas. Then, kinokopya natin yung sign ng number or integer na may malaking absolute value. Yan, subtract 1 and 2. So, magiging, ito ay positive 1, ito ay positive 2, at ima-minus natin. Pero, ang unang rule kasi ay change the sign, change subtraction to addition. Then, pangalawang method natin is change the sign of the subtrahend. Ito ay subtrahend. From positive 2, magiging negative 2. At syempre, yung kaninang minuend, magiging added na siya ngayon kasi addition na yung ating operation. At kung papansin nyo is, ang ating sign ay magkaiba. Different signs. Isang positive, isang negative. At kung gagamitan natin to ng chip, so dito allowable pa. No? Pwede pang gamitan ng chip. Pero pag 2-digit numbers na yan, parang ang dami nyo nang idodrawing. What if 50? Diba? 50 or 60, 60 mahigit yung ating digit dyan. Hindi na siya applicable itong tiles. So, dito, para lang makita nyo yung rule. Ayan. And again, may 0 pair, so may aalisin. At kung may aalisin, may sinasubtract tayo, diba? This is 0 pair. At kung mapapansin nyo, ang natira ay isang negative tile. So, the answer is negative 1. Ayan. So, 1 plus negative 2, we have negative 1. Okay, negative 1. Now, what if ang ginamit natin is yung rule? Sige. Mamaya, isang rule. So, we have negative 1 and positive 2. Then, we subtract. Ayan. So, kung papansin nyo, tumatagal tayo kasi kailangan ko pong i-emphasize yung ulit-ulitin yung rule. So, change the operation. Next is papalitan mo yung sign ng subtrahend. So, kung positive 2 yan, magiging negative 2. And, itong naunang number, first digit is kokopyahin lang. So, we have negative 1 plus negative 2, which are same signs. At pag magkatulad daw ang sign, ano yung rule? So, this time, dito tayo gagamit ng integer tiles. Now, to check, pwede nyo namang gawin. Ang unang rule is, di ba, kukunin yung absolute value ng negative 1. So, absolute value ng negative 1 is 1. Absolute value of negative 2 is ito using the rule for adding integers. Ayan. And ang gagawin is, pag same signs, add. So, we add. So, 1 plus 2, we have 3. And copy the sign of the integer with larger absolute value. So, in this case, ang may larger absolute value ay negative 2. Ayan, ito yung ebidensya. At ang sign niya ay negative, so magiging negative 3 ang ating answer. So, ito yung ating answer, negative 3. Ngayon po, kung gusto nyo i-confirm using algebra tiles or integer tiles, ayan, so we have, I think, sumobra siya. Ayan. So, this is negative 1. And the other one is, ayan, negative 2. At wala pong 0 pair. At pag binilang natin ang negative tiles, we have 3 negative integer tiles. Ayan. At kung mapapansin nyo, tugma yung ating sagot. So, the answer is negative 3. Ayan, tama tayo. So, maaari kayong gumamit ng integer tiles kung gusto nyo i-confirm kung tama yung ginawa ninyo. Yun nga lang, not all the time kasi minsan 2-digit numbers hindi na practical. And then, so this one, bibilisan na natin. So, 1 minus negative 2. Change the sign. Ayan. Ito magiging positive 2. And obviously, 1 plus 2, we have 3. Yan. So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, no? Tama naman yung sagot. Yan po, I guess we are done. So, that's it. If you have questions, mag-send lang po ng private message sa akin through email or Facebook Messenger. Maraming salamat.